Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see the continuation of the series. Last class we have seen naming a series, isn't it? Now today we are going to start like creating a series using a mathematical expression. How to do the mathematical expression. So a series object can be created by defining a function of the mathematical, defining a function or a mathematical function. So with the help of a object, you can able to define a function, create by defining a function. So function means nothing but in the beginning of the class itself, very beginning I have told you, wherever the open bracket and the close bracket. Now see for example, arrange 10, 5. So this open bracket, close bracket, wherever we are using this is called as a function or a method. We say method. So the syntax for that is series object. What the object name you want to give for your series, that name which is equal to, you can type either whole thing, the pandas dot series, then index is equal to none, data equal to whatever the expression, or instead of full thing you type, instead of typing the full thing, because in import pandas pd we are using the object, so directly you can use pd dot series also, we can use it. So here the syntax is nothing but series object equal to pandas dot series index within bracket, index is equal to none, comma data equal to expression or any function you want to give. Okay, now here I have given a simple example. So you know for what purpose we are using this import. Import panda as pd, import numpy as np. And here we are using a function called arrange. With the help of this arrange function, we are going to create a series. In that we are using a mathematical expression. Now see, s is equal to np dot arrange of 10, 15. Then print here. So what will happen when I am executing this program? Just see, you can see 10, 15. So 10, that means the initial value is 10. Then the end value 15 means that is length minus 1. So up to 14 we will get that print yes, that is the meaning. So np dot arrange 10, 15. Suppose if I'm giving the skip value, in arrange you can give the skip value. Suppose if I'm giving the skip value is 2, now you can see the output 10, 12, 15. So in between the values are skipping. So according to your way, in which way you want, because why I am showing this, the last 2-3 classes we have studied in the arrange function, the initial value, comma the end value, then the skip value. In between any values, if you want to skip, you can use. So just for the remembrance, I have given that. So np dot arrange 10, 15 print yes. So the print yes is this thing. So the series is printed over here 10, 12, 14. Now I have removed the skip value. So it will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 like that. Up to 14 you will get, because 15 minus 1. Now this is our syntax. The syntax is what? Series object is equal to pd dot series, index is equal to yes. So what I created with the help of the function arrange, that value is stored in the variable s, that I am passing over here as the index, comma data is a keyword which is equal to whatever value is there in the yes, I want to multiply with the 4, that is the meaning. So this you can use any arithmetical operation you can use. So here s asterisk 4. So the value what is there in yes will be multiplied by 4 and it will be displaying over there. So each and every, I have created everything for you to show everything. I have created all the arithmetic operation, that is asterisk, that is multiplication, then plus is addition, then this is subtraction, and this is the quotient. Here I will show you one more thing. Now see, you can see in the output, you can able to see. So S is the index we are given. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, it is coming, and data, that is S into 4, 10 into 4, that is 40, 11 into 4, 44, you can see this one. And next is print SBOS object 1, that is S plus 4. So the value will be added with 4, 4, 4. So 14, 15 like that. And next is the subtraction. So 10 minus 4, 6, 11 minus 4, 7 you will get. Then the next is the quotient. Here slash 4 we are given. So the decimal value also it will take. Suppose if I am giving double slash, so you will come to know the difference. When I'm giving the double slash, now see the output, only the integral value you will get it over here. You won't get the decimal value. Suppose you don't want the float value, only the integral value you need, then you will use double slash. If you are using a single slash in the division, you will get the decimal value. This is the difference. And here double asterisk represents, it is the exponential. That is 10 raised to, 11 raised to, like that. The exponential you will get. So 100, 121, this is the mathematical function you can use in the series. So creating a series using a mathematical function. So for creating the series here, I didn't create a series. Normally the series we will create, I have shown down, like without arrange function also we can create a series. Here with the arrange function we created a series. Then with that we are using the object for using the mathematical function. So this is the output you will get. And the next one is, now see this example. Here using a range function, then we studied this in the index how to use a for loop. So S is equal to PD dot series range of 1, 15, 3, then index x for x in A, B, C, D, E. So you can see now this is like a, what you will say, like object attribute, how to use the series object attribute, that is the thing. Now s dot index only if I am going to use, means now here and all I'm going to make that as a comment. So then only you can able to see what is, which is given as the last one, that only the output here you will get. So I am making all this as a comment line. Okay. Now see PD dot series range of 1, 15, 3 index x for x in A, B, C, D, E if I'm giving, when I'm executing. Now see, so index A, B, C, D, E given and type is object, because I need only the index. I want what is the value is there, that I want to know. So this is called attribute. What all the object attributes are there, that we can use it. Now the values, what the values are there, that I want to see. Then now see the value, it is stored with the help of the range we use. So 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, because the skip value we are given 3. Suppose you didn't give any skip value here. Now you see your value will be range of, okay, 2. So range of 1, 3, 2 index x for in PD dot series range of 1, 15, because the index we are given here, no, so 2, 2, so the index we have to increase, that is the reason. Otherwise you will get error, because 3, so you will get up to 15, 3, 3, so 5 index is given. 2 means, so index you have to increase, that is the reason. So 1, 3, 5, like that you will get it, that is the reason. So you have to increase the index. Once if you increase the index, still it is there. So you just see how many values you will get it, like in between when you are using A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So you just calculate accordingly, then you do, then only you will get it. Here 3 means we will get the 5 values. So A, B, C, D, E is enough. So you, but when you are using the index, suppose if you are not using the index, then no problem. See, suppose if you are not using the index, you can remove this part, then you won't get any error in that place. See, you will get the value 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values. So when you want to create the index, then you have to create like this, index equal to square bracket x in, sorry, x for, no, x for x in, then within the single quotes, the index, whatever the index you want to give, that you will give A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values. C, D, E, F, G, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when you are executing, you will get, that is the reason. Suppose if you are giving here 3, that means you will get only A, B, C, D, E. When you are using the index, that is very, very important. Otherwise, you will get the error message. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. When you are using 2, then you have to give 7 values we will get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see, you won't get any error. That is the thing. Okay. So s dot values means what is the value stored in the series, that you will get it. Suppose the shape of your series, what is the shape of your series, that you want to know, then you have to use s dot shape. So that is the 7 value is stored. That is the thing, 7. Suppose if you are giving 3 here. So I am just showing you the difference. Now see, when we are using this, the output, now see, you will get 5 values only. Okay, so the shape is, it is having 5 values. That is the meaning. Now, what is the size that you want to know? Okay, everything. So the size, when you are giving shape within the square bracket, you will get. When you are giving the size, the value, 5 values you have. And what is the byte? That n byte means it returns the number of bytes of underlying data. So what is the number of bytes for the underlying data? How many bytes it used? That you will get it. So 40 bytes it is used, because 5 values, no, integer. So for 40 bytes it is used. And what is the dimension of your series, that you want to know? Then you can give s dot n dim. So you will get the result. It is a single dimensional only. Then items, what all the items are there? Items means the values, what all the values, the same thing only. So that you want to see, then you can use s dot items. So you will get like this, your series, how it is stored, a equal to 1, b, the index and the value you will get. So series object attribute, with the help of the attribute, we have so many series attributes. With the help of that, we can get it. Like index means it returns the index of the series, then values, it returns the array size, then shape means what is the tuple of the shape, then number of bytes, that is how many bytes for the data it used, and the number of dimension, that is for n dim. Okay. Suppose any values like NaN values are there, that also you can use it. Like what is your series name dot hash nans, so it will give you the hash nan values, what are true, it will give you the thing, that is the value. This is how to use the attribute along with the series. Now the next one is, we know how to retrieve a value from the series, but how to retrieve the values from the series, we have two functions. One is called the head function, the other one is called the tail function. Okay, the head function is used to fetch the first n values, that is by default top 5 rows data from the series it will display. Like in the same manner, the tail function is used from the end, from the last 5 values to fetch the default, if you didn't specify any argument inside the head and the tail, then by default 5 rows or the 5 tuple value it will take. Now see here, import pandas pd.series, we created a series over here, and like simply we created a series value 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, and the index we created. Now print series, so that means with the index what we created, with the index it will create the series. So this is print series I have just given for your identification. Now see here, when I execute this program, so print series, the heading you will get, then print yes. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to that, then the values it will get. Then suppose I don't want to take all the values from my series, only the first 3 values you need. From the first, that means from the beginning. So you have to use the head function. So where you stored your series, you stored your series in the object called yes. So yes dot head function, inside that you have to pass the argument. So the first 3 values when I need, then you have to give 3. Now see the output. So head with the argument, because to make it identify easily, I have given like this way. So head with the argument. Now see 3 values. So 10, 20, 30 that you will get. Suppose if you didn't give the argument, any argument inside the head function, now see, only you will get the first 5 values. We have so many values here, up to G index we have, but you can see without argument, only first 5 values. Suppose here if you are giving now 7, now see all the 7 values you want, head of 7. So you will get all the value head without argument. In that I have used head of 7. So if you didn't give any argument, default from the beginning, first 5 values it will take. That is the meaning. Like in the same manner, the tail function from the end. Now see, s dot tail, that is the last. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is from the back it will calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 30 to 65, that is C to G, you will get. That is the thing. And here tail of 2. So from the end 2 values, that is 60 and 65, you will get with the index. This is the use of the head and tail function. Okay, retrieving the values from the series using the head and tail function. Then how to use the mathematical operations in the series. See, all the mathematical operation, all the arithmetic operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything you can do. Like I have given a simple example over here. So we created a series called S. In that some values are stored, then S1, then S2. So 3 series here I created. Here for S2, we have created a index 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that. But here and all, we didn't give any index over here. Now, see, when I execute, you can see the default index will be taken as, now see here, 0. So here we didn't give any index, but only to show you the difference, I have just created an index in this place. So here we have given the index 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it will take that index over here. Now see, print yes only we are given. Okay, now see. Yes value. So the next statement I am giving, print yes. Then yes one I need. So I'm giving here print yes one value. Now I'm using print yes one. Okay. Then I am using yes2 value, print yes2 value. Then I am using print yes2. Now to show you the difference, see here I am making all this as a command line. So you can see the difference when I'm executing this program. Now see, yes, the series we created without any index, and S1 also without any index, but S2 With the index, we created 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 as the index. Suppose you want to give some other index also, you can use it. In which way you want, you can use it, the index. Now see, so 0, if we didn't create the index, the default index will be taken as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. But here for the S2, you see 2, 4, 6, 8 as created as the index. When I'm executing this, now see, I have changed the index value 12, 4, 16 like that. So you can see the difference, okay? Now I am removing. So just I'm giving 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 only the index. I will show you why I have did that, okay? Now see, now I want to do the arithmetic operation. So I want to add all this. So S, S1, S2, all I want to add. So I am using here print addition, okay, adding something I'm giving, okay. Now only I'm removing this hash. Now you see the output. So this already we have seen. Now see here, when we are adding here NaN. So what is this? So instead of S2, now if I'm giving S plus S1, that NaN value will be removed. So you can see here, you can see now. So the first value what we created 10. So 10 plus 1, 11, 22, yes. Then 20, 33, 44, 55. But when we are giving S3 here, some of the values we are getting as NaN. So what is the reason? Just see, I am executing here. Oh, sorry. S1, S2. So when we are executing this, you can see here 0, 21 we are getting. Okay, why 0 is 21? Here it is 10. Okay, and here it is 1, 0th position. Yes, and here it is 2, but here in the adding place we are getting 21, and in 1 we are getting NaN, and 3 again we are getting NaN, then 6 we are getting NaN, 8 we are getting NaN. Why means, see here the index we have given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and here suppose if we didn't give the index, so the index how it will take, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, yes, this is 2. So here the index is what? 2 we are given. So 30 plus 3, 33, 33 plus 2, 35, like that it is added. Understood? So that is why index 2, 35. And wherever the index is not equal to what we specified here, in that place, we are getting NaN. And you can see, ask how come then 0 we are getting 21. You see here, for the last value, the index I have given 0. So the 10 will be added with this 10, that is 20, and this one 21, that is the reason. So this is how, when we are adding, it adds the value with the help of the index only. Suppose here, if I am not giving this index value, then it won't give you any problem. Everything will be added and you will get the result. The NaN won't be there at all. Understood the difference, children? So I want to show you this difference. That is the reason I am just specifying this. Okay. Now this is adding. Like this, you can do all the operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything you can able to do. And the next one is vector operation in series. So vector operation means nothing but some greater than, less than, something exponential, all that. Now see here, S1 less than 4. So what is S1 here? S1 is this series. So here, wherever the value is less than 4, only that value I want to display. That is the meaning of this. Now see here, I am giving a print message. Just I am giving like this. Okay. Then in the next print, I'm using print condition. So this is for easy understanding. Okay. Now I am executing. Now see. So you will get a space over the 2 empty spaces you are getting. Then the condition is coming. Now see, my thing is S1 less than 4. So simply if you are giving S1 less than 4, you won't get the value. Now see, if I am removing this S1, what is happening? Okay, you will get just the boolean true, false, true, false. So which are all the values are less than 4, that place in S1 you will get true, and which are all the values are not less than 4, there you will get the false, the boolean type of value you will get. You want to get the value, you need a value over there, then you have to specify the array like S1 of S1 less than 4, you have to specify. When you do like this way, then you will get the value along with the index. And this is, suppose you created a series, when you want to display the output, the particular value from the series you don't want. So that value you want to remove or deleting the elements. We say this as deleting the elements from the series. So how to delete the element from the series? With the help of this drop function, we will delete the value. So now see, in yes, you can see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is the value, isn't it? Now I am using here print yes dot drop. Now I am using print like this. Then I am using print within double quotes, deleting elements. Deleting elements using drop function. Okay. So you can see this now. When you execute this program, what is the output? Now see, I am executing. So yes value, it is printing everything. Now see, deleting elements using drop. Drop, inside that we have passed the argument 3. So what is the value of that index 3 that will be deleted? That is 3, index 3. According to the index it will take. Suppose if we are giving 0 over here, then the 0th index value will be removed from that. Okay, so now see 3 is there. So this is the way for deleting the element using the drop. So now totally we have finished the series part. Then in the next class, we will see how to create the data frame and what is how to create the data frame with a different method, well, like a list, a series, dictionary. There are different ways are there. So how to do that? I think you can able to follow me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, thank you.